In the realm of automotive excellence, few names evoke the same level of passion and prestige as Lamborghini. The Italian manufacturer has consistently delivered awe-inspiring vehicles that blend jaw-dropping aesthetics with exhilarating performance. One such masterpiece is the Lamborghini Espada, a timeless grand tourer that captures the essence of the brand's distinctive design philosophy. From its striking appearance to its breathtaking power, the Espada represents a harmonious fusion of luxury, performance, and practicality. In this video, we delve into the captivating world of the Lamborghini Espada, exploring its design, engineering prowess, driving experience, and the legacy it leaves behind. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Design and styling. The design and styling of the Lamborghini Espada are nothing short of breathtaking, showcasing the brand's commitment to creating visually striking and iconic automobiles. Introduced in 1968, the Espada was a groundbreaking departure from Lamborghini's traditional two-seat sports cars, offering a luxurious and practical four-seat grand tourer. The Espada's exterior design is a harmonious blend of elegance and aggression. Its long, sleek silhouette commands attention, with flowing lines that exude a sense of dynamism and power. The elongated hood, low roofline, and bold character lines create a sense of movement, even when the car is at a standstill. The iconic scissor doors, a signature feature of Lamborghini, add a touch of drama and reinforce the Espada's exotic nature. Inside the Espada, the focus on luxury and comfort is evident. The cabin is crafted from the finest materials, with attention to detail that showcases the brand's craftsmanship. The ergonomically designed seats provide exceptional comfort and support, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard features a driver-centric layout, placing important controls within easy reach. Modern and classic elements are seamlessly integrated, creating an ambience that is both contemporary and timeless. The Espada's design not only captures attention, but also offers practicality. The four-seat configuration allows for comfortable accommodation of passengers, making it a true grand tourer. Additionally, the rear hatch provides ample storage space, making the Espada suitable for longer journeys. Performance and engineering. The Lamborghini Espada exemplifies exceptional performance and engineering prowess, making it a true masterpiece on the road. At the heart of this grand tourer lies a formidable V12 engine, delivering exhilarating power and a spine-tingling exhaust note that embodies the essence of Lamborghini. With its substantial displacement and advanced technologies, the Espada's engine unleashes an impressive surge of acceleration, propelling the car from a standstill to remarkable speeds with breathtaking ease. The engineering brilliance of the Espada extends beyond its powerful engine. The car's chassis incorporates lightweight materials, optimizing performance and handling capabilities. The suspension system is meticulously tuned to strike a balance between comfort and responsiveness, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The precision aerodynamics not only enhance the car's stability at high speeds, but also contribute to its striking aesthetics. Moreover, the Espada is equipped with advanced braking systems that provide exceptional stopping power, instilling confidence in the driver. The transmission, whether it be a manual or an automatic, seamlessly transfers the engine's power to the wheels, allowing for swift gear changes and a dynamic driving experience. The Lamborghini Espada's performance capabilities are further enhanced by its impeccable engineering. Driving experience. The driving experience of the Lamborghini Espada is nothing short of extraordinary, offering a thrilling and captivating journey for both the driver and passengers. From the moment you take a seat behind the wheel, you are greeted with a sense of anticipation and excitement. The commanding driving position of the Espada provides excellent visibility, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the road ahead. The responsive steering offers precise feedback, enabling you to navigate corners with precision and confidence. The car's nimble handling defies its size, effortlessly gliding through curves and turns with remarkable agility. The heart and soul of the driving experience lie in the powerful V12 engine that roars to life. With its immense power and torque, the Espada launches forward with breathtaking acceleration, thrusting you into your seat. The symphony of the engine's growl fills the cabin, intensifying the sensory experience and amplifying the adrenaline rush. Despite its high-performance capabilities, the Espada doesn't compromise on comfort. The luxurious interior, crafted with the finest materials, ensures a comfortable and refined ride for both the driver and passengers. The suspension is expertly tuned, striking a balance between sportiness and comfort, allowing you to enjoy a smooth and controlled driving experience. Whether cruising on open highways or conquering winding roads, the Lamborghini Espada offers an exhilarating and immersive driving experience. It seamlessly combines power, performance, and refinement, creating a symphony of sensations that leaves a lasting impression. The Lamborghini Espada truly embodies the essence of a grand tourer, providing an unforgettable driving experience that is as thrilling as it is luxurious. Legacy and influence. The Lamborghini Espada has left a significant legacy in the automotive world, making a lasting impact and influencing the direction of grand tourers and luxury sports cars. Introduced in 1968, the Espada challenged traditional conventions by offering a 4-seat configuration combined with high-performance capabilities. This innovative approach expanded Lamborghini's appeal to a broader audience and paved the way for future models that emphasized both luxury and speed. The Espada's legacy can be seen in the evolution of Lamborghini's lineup, particularly in the brand's entry into the SUV segment with the Urus. Like the Espada, the Urus combines powerful performance with practicality and comfort, allowing Lamborghini to reach new heights in terms of sales and market presence. The Espada's influence can also be found in subsequent grand tours and luxury sports cars from various automakers, as they strive to offer a blend of high-performance driving and passenger comfort. Furthermore, the design language of the Lamborghini Espada has had a lasting impact on the automotive industry. Price of Lamborghini Espada. The Lamborghini Espada is a classic luxury grand tour that was produced by Lamborghini between 1968 and 1978. As a vintage car, the price of a Lamborghini Espada can vary significantly depending on factors such as the model year, condition, mileage, rarity, and overall market demand. Given its collectible status and iconic design, Lamborghini Espadas in good condition can often command high prices. On the current market, prices for a Lamborghini Espada typically range from around $150,000 to over $300,000. However, it's important to note that these prices are estimates and can vary based on individual circumstances and the specific details of the car being considered. As with any vintage or classic car, it is recommended to consult with reputable car dealers, vintage car specialists, or professional appraisers who have expertise in Lamborghini Espadas to get an accurate assessment of the current market value. They can provide you with more specific information based on the particular car's condition, history, and any additional factors that may affect its value. Conclusion. The Lamborghini Espada encapsulates the spirit of automotive excellence, blending breathtaking design, awe-inspiring performance, and unrivaled luxury. As a trailblazer in the Grand Tourer segment, the Espada defied expectations, offering the combination of practicality and performance that was previously unheard of in the Lamborghini lineup. Decades later, it remains an icon in the world of automotive design, revered for its timeless aesthetics and engineering brilliance. The Espada represents the epitome of Lamborghini's unwavering commitment to delivering automotive artistry that captivates the senses and pushes the boundaries of what is possible. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video.